First mod came in. Got the JLT boy. About to put this bad boy on. Now I just need a gauge to come in with the Lund Racing tune. Waiting on that. Any day now, UPS. That'd be nice. Any day. All right. Well, yeah, this ships straight from JLT. All right, should I end?
Two different trucks then.
Yeah. Should I do this?
Yeah, you can take the map off. I'm gonna just undo hose clips.
You still need that wrench?
Hmm?
Yeah. Where'd you grab it? I'll get it.
Good for now.
Put these bad boys right there. Slide the MAF out. You know what? Let me just unplug it. Should I leave it in?
Oh, so you just don't want to hit it on anything. That's the sensor. I just let it hang there for a little bit.
I gotta get that thing out. Let me grab the wrench. That's off. Damn, where the hell does that go? That's not, gotta be the sound thing.
Mm-hmm. Something doesn't need to be there.
And then these things are kind of a bitch.
Okay, that's out.
I wish we knew how to do these.
No, I'm good. Yeah, that looks like it's it. So it's a deep 10. Where's our 10 at? Yep, it's a deep.
You might need to take off the extension.
Oh, we need an extension. Yeah, there's no way. Nah, I can't.
Can't what?
I need an extension.
Well, get the 3/8.
Dang.
Put your extension. Spot, but
And that's why he's the man, because I get too pissed off. Sound tube. I don't even know if I noticed a difference with that thing. But we're gonna find out.
you're getting a couple clicks every turn.
That's all you need.
You know what the hard part's probably gonna be?
What's that?
Putting that grommet in there.
Oh, the plug? We'll figure it out. Well, I might be able to do that, but...
Pull this back out. Let's see if I can. It should be finger loose.
This stupid thing. All that for that.
This little nut takes out that thing.
Way to go, Ford.
Bruh. Now we got all this shit over here.
Where's that grommet at?
Right there, yep.
Going right back in.
Should be just a big hole, right?
Yep.
Wait, does that... That stud come off? That stud's gotta come off, right?
No. I think it's on there.
No, look. Hold on, take it off. Wait, is it in?
It's in.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it pops right in.
Oh, okay. Sweet.
Perfect.
There we go. Tuning.
Load tune.
I guess we just load tune, right?
It was up top.
Yeah, I know. I'm just.
Oh.
18 JLT. Pump gas. Flash this tune. 11 minutes. Gotta save that stock tune. And we're gonna go out there and rip. And making some progress. That's a coyote. I always hear him ripping around here. Probably is. Let's go.
2 hours later.
All right, guys, just loaded the Lund Racing tune on for the JLT intake. It's gonna be my first drive. I'm gonna go over to the head strap and see how she feels. Here we go. Watch it not even feel any different.
Powering off. It says powering off.
Really?
Your gauge.
Something ain't right. That's weird.
Oh, you hear the intake? You hear the whistle?
Oh shit. Put this bitch in drag mode.
Light on the gauge just flashed.
track off. Alright, first pull with the Lund tune. Try a 40 roll. Revving all the way out.
Yeah, definitely pulled up the revs a lot farther.
Holy shit.
I was like 8,000, it sounded like.
I don't even know. Woo!
The shifts are definitely money, for sure.
Oh yeah. Well guys, that was the first drive with the Lund Racing tune and the JLT intake, and definitely feels stronger. The shifts are a lot more crisp, more firm, and it revs a lot higher. So I'm interested to see how much of a difference it's going to make. I'm going to get some runs in soon, and I'll probably go against my buddy's Volkswagen GTI just because we were pretty close before, and it'll be a cool, you know, baseline just to see how much of a difference it's going to make with the tune and intake. Right now, everything else is still stock, you know, stock exhaust. Just a 93 pump gas car. I mean, it's nothing. So that's going to do it for right now. It's going to do it for this video. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you liked it. Stay tuned for more racing. I mean, of course, I got more mods coming. So be patient. Bear with me. Make sure you guys hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching, and I appreciate it. You guys have a good one.